The weather in New York is just bipolar. One day it's hot, then the next day it's cold, then it's hot again. Hold on, someone's calling me. Right, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. All right, coming to Trader Joe's to get some stuff. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna say much. I'm just telling you to come with me because I don't want to go by myself. So you guys are coming. Let's go. Right. We got our little bag, and we're off. I wore Crocs. This is how I be dressing down here, y'all. Don't judge me. Whatever. Right, y'all. My headphones are bad. I hope y'all can hear me. The weather in New York is just bipolar. One day it's hot, then the next day it's cold, then it's hot again. Hold on, someone's calling me. All right, I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna get off this because I'm walking to, what avenue is this? This is 6th, and yeah, it gets a little extra. So I'm gonna walk and listen to music. See you in a few minutes. I'll call y'all back. Right, this Trader Joe's be packed sometimes, but I feel like it doesn't look that crowded. See? Thank you. My allergies are kicking my butt right now. Coconut water. Don't mind the mess, okay? It was a long day. So I'm going to do a quick make something out of nothing. We're gonna do some sautéed teriyaki. We're gonna do some sautéed teriyaki chicken. It's gonna be the boneless, here I go with this, it's gonna be the boneless chicken thighs, okay? Skinless boneless chicken thighs. That's the juiciest part of the chicken. So we're gonna do that. I have some white rice already made, and I made some fresh, we're gonna cut that out. I made beans, black beans, dry black beans, the beans from a bag. Let me show you. So I made these black beans from a bag, not from a can. If you guys want a recipe or to know how to prepare dry beans and have them come out the way mine come out, because they come out amazing, just comment below, let me know. But this is just going to be a quick make something out of nothing with me. And yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys for watching. This will be the sauce that I'm using this evening. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this will be the sauce that I'm using to teriyaki the chicken. And I'll also show you the kind of chicken that I got. I got it from Trader Joe's. As you can see, I went out earlier to Trader Joe's. You'll see that in the beginning of this video. I had you guys come with me because I didn't want to go by myself. And let me show you the chicken that we're going to use today. So this is the chicken that I got from Trader Joe's. This is all natural chicken, fresh boneless thighs, and it's skinless, as you can see. So this is what I'll be using. And yeah, stay tuned. Don't mind my clothes either, okay? Listen, y'all with me. We in the kitchen. We in the kitchen. You know how I get in the kitchen. It gets a little sticky. Okay, here I'm just showing you how I cut off some of the excess fat that was left on the chicken. In the package, the chicken was pretty clean, but I want it super clean, so I'm just cutting off some of the fat that I seen left on, and I use a kitchen scissors to do that. It's easier for me. You guys already know this part. Make sure you clean your chicken. I use apple cider vinegar, but you can use whatever you like. Okay, so once your chicken is nice and clean, you can use a paper towel to pat it dry, and then you can start the seasoning process. Once your chicken is nice and seasoned, you can start the sauteing process. So here I'm sauteing the pieces. Well, at least I'm putting them in the pan to start sauteing them. And you flip them over. You get them nice and brown on each side. I added a little bit of honey for some razzle dazzle. That's going to help that teriyaki sauce pop. So now it's time to add your teriyaki sauce. And you could put as much as you like. I went in for a nice amount, but like I said, you put as much as you like. Okay, so I added a little extra herbs and some fresh mushrooms just to make things a little fancy, a little interesting. And then I'm going to cover this up and let this cook down a little bit. So I covered my pan with a little bit of aluminum foil. And then afterwards, After, you know, I cooked it down some, I went back in with my kitchen scissors and just cut them up in little pieces so that it can really like marinate, let that sauce and everything really cook in. I'm gonna give you a close-up visual.
Kirby, get out the kitchen.
Listen, Kirby and Kevin do not give me a break, y'all. It's always something going on in the background.
What happened?
He's having a breakdown outside.
What you mean?
Okay, guys, so this is our plate. We have black beans, salad, white rice, and the star of the show was our sautéed teriyaki chicken. I want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you let me know if you like this video. If you do, comment below. Also, give me a thumbs up. And yes, here's our taste tester. He's not going to eat on camera today, but he enjoyed his meal. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This was my meal. I do not eat chicken, so I had rice, beans, and salad. See you later.